Hi guys and welcome to the Photofox channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a beautiful isometric 3D text or logo design in Adobe Illustrator. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, first of all we need to create a new document, so press New File and fill out these fields. I'll leave it 248 by 248 pixels with RGB color mode. Press Create. And now we need to create a background layer of our image. First of all, you need to change the fill color, so press here and select whatever color you want. I'll leave it dark purple, double-click over here, change the brightness, okay, nice, and also you need to disable the stroke color, press here and none. Okay, great. You need to stretch your rectangle from one side to another side, great. And now lock your layer, so press V, press Command 2. I'm using a Mac, so when I'm telling you to press Command, just press Ctrl if you're using a Windows. If I'm telling you to press Option, press Alt. Okay? For now we need to type our text. Press T, click left mouse button, and I'll type an letter. Change the size, select V on your keyboard, press and hold Shift key and resize your letter. Great. Now I want to change the typeface, because I don't like this Mirrored Pro, it's too boring. So press here and select Montserrat. I think that Montserrat is great for all type of projects. Okay, for now we need to change the color. Press over here, press white. Great, I like it. For now we need to change this letter from 2D to 3D. So press Effect, find here 3D and Materials button, 3D Classic, and find here Extrude and Bevel Classic. Okay, at this panel you can change the rotation, the perspective value, the extrude depth value of your image, of your text, of your logo design, or etc. by changing these values, and rotating this cube. I'll show it you. You can just drag, rotate, do whatever you want. Also you can type the values over here, but I don't like it. And also you can change the perspective value from 0 to 160 degrees. We don't need to change perspective value in our situation, so I'll leave it 0 degrees. And also you can change the extrude depth value to change the amount of extrusion. Also easy. But we need to leave extrude depth nearly 100 pt. Okay. Also, I'll change the position from custom rotation to isometric top. This is just a preset of these settings, so you can change it wherever you want, but this is a fast way to create basic styles of your orientation, of your position, of your 3D object. I'll leave it with these settings. Also, you can change the surface box from plastic shading to diffuse shading or no shading. If you'll select no shading, you'll have only one color without any shadows at your object. I'll leave it with no shading option. Okay, for now we need to convert this object from basic with applied effect to expand appearance, to curves, to dots and lines. So press Object, Expand Appearance. I have a hotkey that I've already managed in Adobe Illustrator settings. It's very cool, very easy, so don't forget about hotkeys, change it and work with pleasure. Press Expand Appearance. Now we have our letter with different shapes. For now you can change, you can separate this object, you can drag it, you can recolor it separately, all's great. But we need to combine, to unite this object together in different parts. I'll show you. Select all this object with your selection tool, press Shift M, it'll select Shape Builder tool, and now just hold your left mouse button and draw at these parts. Also you need to click once to all different parts, like here, 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 and here. Why you need to click? Because you'll create a separate object to recolor your image in future, and it'll help you to draw on this object, to work with this object separately without any problems in the future. For now, you need to select all these objects and press Command Shift G several times to ungroup your objects. Great. For now, select it all. Press Shift X to swap fill color with stroke color. Great. Now select top part of your logotype, of your letter, and press and hold your Option key with Shift key to drag it down with a copy. Great. Now change the color, press Shift. Now swap the color from stroke to fill, Shift X, and change the color from white to purple. Great. Now, as you can see, we have some interesting design, but we have some problems because position of this letter isn't correct. So open your Layers panel. If you don't have this panel, go to Window and find here Layers. Okay, open this small icon, and now you can drag and drop your path layer at the bottom. You need to leave it right here. Also, you can change the position of your object by hotkeys. Press Command and close bracket keys to take it up, and Command plus open bracket keys to take it down. That's easy. Great, for now you can make another copy for your object. Press Option, take it up, and change the color to more brighten. Cool, now we have a final result, but if you want to customize it, change colors, if you want to create a smoothly gradient between these two parts, that's not a problem. Press W on your keyboard, it'll select Blend tool, click once at first object, click second time at your second object, and now you have this smooth gradient between your letters. But that's not a final result. If you want to change the steps, the amount of objects between first and last objects, you need to double click on this icon, change the spacing from smooth color to specified steps, and select which amount of steps do you want to see at your image. If you type here 2 and press Tab on your keyboard, you apply this effect, and now you can see that you've added 2 different objects between first and the last one. If you want to create 5 different objects, press 5, press Tab, all's done. I'll leave it 2 and press OK. If you want to change the color of separate objects, because for now you can change the color of this part and at this part, you can change the color of these middle ones. If you want to change them, just press Object, press Expand, OK, and now these objects are separate. So you can change the colors without any problems. I'll leave it with this result and I like it. Guys, I hope you liked this video, and if so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the like button, and of course, don't forget about the notification bell. Only in this way you'll be sure that you'll not miss any new videos on our channel. And I hope I'll see you soon on the next videos. Goodbye!